Write a Python program to calculate distance between 2 points taking input from the user. How to take user input in the Python? Hello, this is Sharda and we are going to discuss how to calculate the distance between 2 points mathematically, and then we will implement in the Python. So first of all, see how distance can be calculated in between 2 points. Let's suppose we are taking 2 points x1, y1, first point p1 and then the second point p2, its coordinate is x2, y2. And the distance d between these points is given by the formula. This formula you know very well. This is the Euclidean distance formula. We have different type of distance between the points like Manhattan and taxi cab, but here we are considering the Euclidean distance only. So to calculate the Euclidean distance, we have to follow this formula like x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and then root square of complete. So you can take an example. Suppose we are taking x1 is 10 and y1 is equal to 9 and x2 is 4 and y2 is 1. This is the user input we are taking, and then we will calculate the distance like this: x2 minus x1 whole square equals to 10 minus 4 whole square equals to 6 to power 2 equals to 36. And similarly, we will calculate y2 minus y1 whole square equals to 9 minus 1 whole square equals to 8 square equals to 64. Now we will sum both the terms. 64 plus 36 equals to 100. So 100 is a square root of 10. So here we can say 10 is the distance between 2 points 10, 9 and 4, 1. Now let's see in the program. First we will see how to take the user input in the Python. For taking the user input in the Python, we have to use the function called the input function. And inside the input function, you can write an optional parameter that is called the prompt. Here I am writing in the prompt a string. You can give any string whatever you want. So here I am providing a string called the enter the value. When you run this block, I'll hit the shift enter and you can see it is showing me enter the value and here the star mark. Star mark means this code is executing and it is asking for the user input. When I'll give the user input, it will complete the execution and the value whatever I'll provide will be assigned to the variable a. So input function is taking the user input. So here I'm giving the value 10. Now one more thing, like whatever you are providing the input, Python takes it as a string. So if you want this string in the form of integer, like I just want to calculate the distance between the points, so their point should be always integer value. Here I have provided an integer value, but the Python inbuilt takes it as a string. So what I need to do, I need to convert this string value into the integer value. First I'll check the type of a, what the Python have taken the a value. You can print the a, it will print the 10. And I just want to check the type of a, then type of a you can see and you can run this block. You can see here it is a string. You have provided integer value, but the Python interpreted this as a string. Now what I can do, I can convert this string to the integer using an inbuilt function int. Or if I just want to convert into the float, then I can use the inbuilt function float. So a equal to int a. Now you can see after that I'm checking the type again for the a, it's int. So are you getting? Means I have converted the string value to integer. Now you know how to take the user input and how to convert that input to the integer or in your desired format. Next thing is we will take 2 points as a user input and then we will calculate the Euclidean distance between 2 points. So let's see, here I'm taking x1 equal to int input enter x1. Similarly for the x2 and y1 and y2. So I'm taking 4 variables from the user input. And then here I'm applying formula of the Euclidean distance like x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and then root square of this complete term. So result will be stored inside this result variable. After that, we will print distance between x1, x2 and y1, y2. After this, we will print the distance between x1, y1 and x2, y2 is result. Now you can see I'll run this block, I'll hit the shift enter and it will ask you for the values. I have to enter the x1. Here I'm giving the x1 10 and similarly it is asking for the x2. I'm providing x2 4 and y1 I'm providing y1 9 and y2 I'm providing y2 1. So you can see the distance between x1 y1 10, 9 and x2 y2 4, 1 is result equals to 10. So this is the one approach you can calculate the Euclidean distance between 2 points. I can tell you the other approach like how to calculate the distance between 2 points using the math library. Math library existing inside the Python and there are the lots of functions available inside the math library. So here we are using the second approach like we are taking the first point coordinates comma separated as a user input. First I'm importing the math, import math and then a is equal to input enter first coordinates. And these coordinates I'm entering comma separated like x1, y1 value. Similarly after that what I will do a dot split the values a by the comma and then we will store inside the p1. Similarly for the b enter the second coordinates and we store the second coordinates value inside the p2. After that we will calculate the distance like p1 it is a list. So p1 of 0 minus p2 of 0 both x and p1 of 1 minus p2 of 1. Here we are passing p1 of 0 through the int because we have taken the string values. So we have to convert the string into the integer. So all the points we need to pass through the int function and then we are doing square and after the square we will sum and then this complete term is passed through the function math.square root and it will give you the square root of this complete term. So we can run this block again and you can see the output like it is asking for the first coordinates. So I'm providing same values 10, 9 and the second coordinates 4, 1 and you can see the distance between 10, 9 and 4, 1 is 10. So this is the second approach how to calculate the distance between 2 points in the Python. I hope you liked it. Give thumbs up if you liked the video. If you have any question or any recommendation for the next upcoming videos, let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time.